Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my sweet students, nursery class. Here you can see your writing book, that is exercise book of English with the lesson number 18. Dear students, today is 28th of January 2021 and the day is Thursday. Please open your writing book and we can see that at the page number 98 our today's letter is Y. It's capital Y. In previous lesson we have learned our small y and today we will learn to write capital Y. With the help of our reading book Phonic is Fun, we have learned the name of the things which have the sound of letter Y. Y, yolk. Y, yolk. Y, yak. Y, yummy yogurt. And today we will learn to write our capital letter Y. So let's start. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Put your pencil on the given point like this. Please look carefully at the movement of the pencil like this. Once again. Y. Once again, look carefully. And this one. You can see that capital Y has two arms but one leg. Understand? One time more. Like this. Here we will join the both lines like this. Y. We will do some more practice. Y, york. Y, yacht. Y, york. And here is one thing more. Y, yellow. Here I have a yellow color. आप येलो कलर की बहुत सी चीज़ें अपने इर्द गिर्द देख सकते हैं, पर थोड़ा सा बस फाइंड आउट करने की ज़रूरत होती है और हमें बहुत सी चीज़ें नज़र आ जाती हैं. Y. Here you can see that in our previous lesson we have learned to write our small y like this. First we have make the shape of U and then J. Here is our small y and here is Y, capital Y, Y, yogurt, Y, yogurt, yummy yogurt. And one thing more, and that is Y, yolk, Y, yogurt and Y, yolk, Y, yo-yo is a game. Okay, nursery class, hope now you can read and write the letter Y. And now look at the page number 99. Here you can see both capital and small Y. It's very easy to write like this. Please also complete your this page. अगर आपने पीछे से स्मॉल और कैपिटल Y की प्रैक्टिस की होगी तो आपके लिए ये बिल्कुल भी टफ नहीं होगा. ओके, like this nursery class. Here we have our capital and now small y. Please complete your this page also. And what I have drawn a yolk on page number 100 because our heading is draw paste the picture with letter Y. That's why I have already drawn the picture of a yolk. I have filled the yellow color in it because the central part of an egg has yellow color and it's called yolk. Okay. Nancy class, please complete your writing pages and learn the name of the things which have the sound of letter Y. Y as a beginning sound, and here I have a worksheet for you. Hope you have taken it from the school. And first of all, you will write down your name and date, and then beginning sound Y. Y. Here we will read and write our letters like this. First of all, you will write down capital Y like this. Okay. And then it's the time of writing small y. आप कहते होंगे कि टीचर ने बुक में तो स्मॉल वाई की शेप कुछ और दिखाई है. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि ये भी स्मॉल वाई ही होता है. हमारे राइटिंग पैटर्न में थोड़ा सा ये है स्मॉल वाई की शेप. ओके. अगर आप चाहें तो ये भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. आपको दोनों तरह से लिखना आ जाएगा, वरना आप अपने राइटिंग पैटर्न के अकॉर्डिंग ही स्मॉल वाई की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ look at the second heading, that is color the pictures that begin with the Y sound. We will fill the colors in those pictures which has the sound of Y, like Y yarn, धागा. It's a new word for us. धागे को हम क्या कहते हैं? yarn. Here is a safety pin. It's a yo-yo. Here is a yak. It's a yak, a wild animal, and it's a vase. Okay, now we will fill color. Here yarn, yak, yak, and yo-yo. Okay, नर्सरी क्लास, प्लीज कंप्लीट योर वर्कशीट, एंड देन जब हम स्कूल में इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे तो फिर आप ये टीचर को दिखाइएगा कि किसने ज़्यादा नीट और ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स फिल किए हैं. ओके नर्सरी क्लास, प्लीज़ कंप्लीट योर वर्क. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.